Have you ever wondered why fats have such a bad reputation, especially when it comes to diabetes? Today, we're debunking some common misconceptions and diving into the world of healthy fats and their role in managing diabetes. You see, not all fats are created equal. There are the bad guys, like saturated and trans fats, found in foods like processed meats and fried foods. These can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke, and they can make it harder to manage your blood sugar levels. But then, there are the good guys, the unsaturated fats. These are the healthy fats that can actually help you manage diabetes. They're found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish. These fats can help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and even improve insulin resistance. So why are these healthy fats so important for diabetics? Well, they play a crucial role in maintaining a balanced diet, which is key to managing diabetes. Consuming meals rich in healthy fats can help keep blood sugar levels steady, preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes. But that's not all. These fats also contribute to heart health. As heart disease is a common complication of diabetes, it's vital to keep your heart as healthy as possible. Replacing unhealthy fats with healthy ones can lower your risk of developing heart disease. Healthy fats are also a key player in weight management. Despite what you might think, fats are not the enemy of weight loss. In fact, foods rich in healthy fats can keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating and helping with weight control. And as we know, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing diabetes. Now let's round this up. When it comes to diabetes, it's important to remember that fats aren't the villain they're often made out to be. Yes, there are unhealthy fats that can hinder your diabetes management and overall health. But there are also healthy fats, the unsaturated ones, that can help you manage your condition and even improve your health. Remember, it's all about balance. Incorporating a variety of foods, including those rich in healthy fats, into your diet can help manage your blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and assist in weight management. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing diabetes. So keep learning, keep exploring, and keep making those healthy choices. You're doing great, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, take good care of yourself and remember to befriend those healthy fats. They're more helpful than you might think.